The chat designer, though, is completely built on the new user interface and UX design philosophy. So you see a different design for this. Okay. And on the left side, you will see all the options, what you can use in the bot designer. Okay. So like, let's start from the top. There's a question node, which is there, which I've used as the first thing, because I think most of the times, every business now wants to ask vendors where can you do something through true AI, where I don't need to design step by step, but just ask the customer what they want, and then the bot responds accordingly, right? So that's what the question node does actually. Okay. And then there are other things, like you want to respond back with a message, you want to respond back with a multimedia message, like send a video link or a small GIF file, that can be done through the multimedia node. Document is basically sending a document or a PDF file. Then you have the knowledge base, which is interesting because this is where you can open it up to the customer and create your own ChatGPT kind of a bot actually. Okay. This is powered by Ozonetel's AI plus ChatGPT. It's not directly ChatGPT per se, but we use ChatGPT, like I said, for grammar more than anything. Rest of the knowledge base is all Ozonetel's NLP that we use. Then there are carousels. If you have used Apple Business Chat anytime with any business, you would see that you can scroll through the images right or right to left and actually right. So these are some of the nodes, and of course there are a lot of other nodes here. But let's start with that thing. So all I did was I dragged this question node here. I can type the text, then start putting in what intents I want to cover as a user. So if you see my node which I have created, I'll just delete the new one. I just said, please let us know what you're looking for. And I put, is the customer looking for a new product? Is he looking for water filters? Is he looking for home cleaning? Is he looking for health? So I put different sectors here just as an example, so you get the context as such. Okay. Now, if you see, I'm not asking about a specific word, like only if a user enters water filters will be dedicated. That's not the point. The point is I'm capturing the intent. Okay. So now let's see how this works with Ozonetel's AI. Okay. So, of course, there's a test option here in our bot. So you can click on the test option. This opens up the bot directly. So now I can start working. And if you see the history of my bot, I've been testing this randomly. So you can, of course, see the previous history of the user also. So now I just start by saying, I am looking for for example. Okay. And what it did was it responded back with images about vacuum cleaners, as you can see. Now, how did I design this? If you see this, it went to home cleaning. And under home cleaning, I used the carousel node. The carousel node is here in the left menu, which I dragged. And all I did was I uploaded images of vacuum cleaners. One was a manual cleaner, one was a robo vacuum cleaner. Okay. So I set up the images there, and I also gave you two buttons there to click. Okay. And if you see right now, only on robo cleaning, I have actually put a document link here, and then I've embedded the knowledge base for robo cleaning. I'll come back on how we did this. But if you see the carousel now, right, the next step would be I'm expecting the user to click something. So as a user, if I go here, let's say I want robo cleaning, right? And I click on robo cleaning, for example, okay, where I put the next step. So you can see I've sent the user a document, which is the manual on how to set the robo cleaning device. Okay. Now, if you see the knowledge base took over immediately after this. Okay. And it started responding to me. On the robo cleaning is a revolutionary approach, blah, 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 all of that. Now, if I say, can I map my floor, for example, okay, you can see it starts responding in proper English. Simply walk around your space with your smartphone, and our app will create a detailed floor plan for you. It's a perfect way. And actually, what I did, let me just open this document for you. I use the same document actually to set up the knowledge base. So if you see this, right, this is actually a menu of no promotions here, though this was the first thing I found on Google, so I used this. Okay. So It just has a step-by-step PDF file of how to install this robo cleaning, and it says how to operate the device, give cleaning commands, and of course, I saw this, hence I was go to map settings to edit at the bottom, right? So that I remembered and I typed how to map my floor. But basically, now how did I do this? Okay. So one is we give a separate knowledge base section here for where you can upload your own knowledge base. So if you see, I've uploaded 4 different ones. One is on Ozonetel itself, which is trained on our website. You can see the status as trained. Okay. This was the document I uploaded.